Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable push notifications in Adalo using OneSignal, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable push notifications in Adalo using OneSignal, start by logging into your Adalo account. Open the application where you want to implement push notifications. Navigate to the left sidebar and select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Push Notifications section. You will see an option to connect to OneSignal. Click on the Connect to OneSignal button. If you don't have a OneSignal account, open a new tab and go to OneSignal's website. Sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, click on Add a new app on the OneSignal dashboard. Provide a name for your app and select the platform you are using. After selecting the platform, click on Next. Follow the prompts to configure the platform settings. For mobile apps, you may need to provide your Apple Push Notification Certificate or Firebase Cloud Messaging key. Once you complete the setup, OneSignal will generate an app ID. Copy the app ID from OneSignal. Return to your Adalo settings and paste the app ID into the appropriate field. Next, you will need the OneSignal REST API key. Go back to OneSignal and navigate to the Keys and IDs section in your app settings. Copy the REST API key provided. Return to Adalo and paste the REST API key in the designated field. After entering both the app ID and REST API key, save your changes. This will enable the connection between Adalo and OneSignal. Now, you need to set up user permissions for push notifications. In Adalo, add a notification component to the relevant screens where you want to prompt users. This will allow your app to request permission for push notifications. Customize the message that will be shown to users when asking for permission. Once you've set up the request prompt, test the feature by previewing your app. After confirming the permissions work correctly, go back to OneSignal. In OneSignal, you can create and schedule notifications. Choose the audience you want to target and customize your message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.